Now that we have some pages created, let's check out what kind of content we can add to our page. Basically, we're working with the insert menu. And if you scroll up, just make sure you go up to the top so you can see that you can insert text boxes, images, if you have an embed URL from another site, and you can upload items. Plus, you can put in things from Google Drive, you can embed things from YouTube, a calendar, maps, and put in all kinds of Google Docs at the click of a button. Let's start with the basics with text. When you click on text box, it automatically appears. And if you notice, your content is getting put in order of how you're clicking. So I had some text here first, and when I inserted a text box, it put it right below it. So I could type some more text. Welcome to my website. You have a couple of choices. You have your font chosen, but you can pick if you want it to be a title, which makes it bigger, a heading, the next size, or a subheading. You can also choose the alignment, left, center, right, or justified. Now, if you want to rearrange the order, see these little dots right here in the corner? I can click and now I can drag this. So essentially, this is working in the system of different blocks, and you can reorganize your blocks any way that you want. Another couple choices with text is you can pick what you want your section background to be. So they call them sections, not blocks. I can pick an emphasis, one or two, or if you can select that I want to put in an image as the background. And they have a full gallery of images, and we'll get into images later. But if you want to choose in the gallery, I can click one, and it puts the background in the text box. If I don't like what I want, I can simply click on the trash can, and it will get rid of it. If I didn't want to get rid of it, I can click on undo, and it brings it back. If I want to change the size of my text box, I can drag from the corner where the little circle is and change the size of my text box. What does that do? It'll change if I center it and left alignment where it actually appears. The last thing I can do with the text box, if I go, this is how I can make links, text links to either other pages in my website or outside websites. So if I want to make another text box, it inserts it here. Here I have link. What do I want my text to say? It also allows you to link to the different pages in your site. Now you already do have links to the pages in your site and the navigation, so I'm not sure why you'd want to do this. I would be using this if I wanted to use links, external links. For example, I wanted a link to Google. So I would type in the text as to what the site you're going to. For link, you need the true URL or the web address. You can type it in or you can copy and paste it. When you click apply, you will notice it looks slightly different. And when I click on it, it takes me to Google. Another way to check it is preview. I can click on preview. It'll show you what your site is going to look like. Click on Google, and it takes you to Google. I want to get out of preview mode. I can hit X right here, and it'll exit the preview. So let's review text and now links in a new Google site. Under the insert menu, there is the text box. You click on it, and it will add a text box below your last section. All you have to do is type in your text box, you've got the different sizes right here, the bold, the italics. You can also do bullet points, bulleted list, and a numbered list. Here's more editing options. If you need strike through or clear formatting, it's over here as well. The little paint palette is for the background. And if you click in preview, you'll see what it looks like with the different backgrounds for the different sections. So probably having something plain like this doesn't look so great. And last but not least, there was the link part, that you can link to another page in your website, but I would use this for an external link. So you type in your text and put in the actual web address of the link of where you want to link to.